If you're using a stylus or a tablet, then you can easily record handwritten notes by using the pen tool. In order to do that, you can simply go to draw, and here you can see that there's preset pen tools that you can select from. So over here I'm going to go to more and select the favorite pen of my choice. So I'm going to select this blue pen right here with a 1mm thickness. So I'm going to select this, and over here I can write something like hi. I'm using a mouse right now, so the handwriting may not be that great, but if you're using a pen or a stylus, then this might be very natural. So hi there, T-H-E-R-E, alright. So writing with mouse is quite difficult. Anyways, you can use this. So you can go for a highlighter as well. You can highlight information just like that as well. If you are not happy with the presets, you can also go over here into pen mode. So right now both handwriting and drawing is being selected, so I like to leave it as that. You can also just create drawings or handwriting for specialized type of tools. So I'm going to go over here into color and thickness for a custom made pen. So you can select from highlighter and pen. I'm just going to say pen. I'm going to choose the thickness amount, the color, press OK, and there you go. This is brown. Alright, there you go. So that is how I can create the handwriting of my choice. So over here, so these are the pen tools and these are the colors and thickness. So that is how you can quickly use pen tool inside of Microsoft OneNote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.